Luganda XLz, week 38. Nez on the boards. Listen up. 1 to 38. Excellence. Say what is common, that's how you make the sense. Touch souls with your poetry. Spit it how you live. Byatule kuba wako wensi. Kabefumbe ngeriba kwesunze. To the majority, I'm doomsday. Ekitali wokyatandikira kunze. If you was as blessed and gifted, what would you say? Tuchikube, let the chords play. Beatinezi yajironze. Yes, feva kakensa. Stuck to it like a cancer, it's denser. Mbalina tebe tire. I'm the type to still go despite a flat tire. Feturiko if it's musical. Focus on my duty, show the rest how we do it and make the beauty glow. I mean of rap in particular. Runaku twete gereza we chikula. And it's all right around the corner. When this is Zayanachi Wagi our summer. Yeah, week 38. You know how it is. Luganda XLz. Nez on the beat. And we still going. Yeah.